In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix my Loom extension not working. We will go through a series of steps to troubleshoot and resolve issues with the Loom extension. If you follow along carefully, you should have your Loom working in no time. First, open your browser and search for Loom. You will want to type in Loom into the search bar and hit enter. This action is essential as it helps you navigate to the official Loom website. On your screen, you will see a list of search results. Look for the link that leads to Loom's official site. This ensures you are accessing the correct resource, which is crucial for a successful login and operation of the extension. Next up, click the correct link from the search results. This link usually appears as loom.com. Once you click on it, your browser will redirect you to the Loom homepage. It is vital that you click the right link, as accessing unverified sites can lead to security risks. You will see the Loom interface ready for you to log in. Now, log into your Loom account. Look for the login button typically found at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials carefully and hit the login button. This step is crucial because only authorized users can access Loom's features. Once logged in, you will see your Loom dashboard, confirming that you are in the right place. At this point, pay attention to a critical note. Loom cannot record blank pages. If you attempt to click the Loom extension icon while on a blank Google Chrome new tab page or a restricted settings page, the extension may freeze or fail to load. To avoid this, always open a normal public website first, such as Google or a news site, before clicking the Loom icon. Next, look at the left side of your browser's address bar right next to loom.com. This area is where you will see important icons related to website security. It's essential to check this because it can impact your extension's performance. You will notice icons like a padlock or sliders which indicate the current security settings for the site you are on. From there, click the padlock or sliders icon. This action will open a menu that displays various permissions for the Loom site. Adjusting these settings can directly affect how well Loom operates. By checking these permissions, you can ensure that the necessary components for Loom to function are not being blocked by your browser. Now locate camera and microphone in the menu and toggle it to allow. This step is critical because Loom requires access to both your camera and microphone to record videos. If these permissions are not enabled, you might face issues while trying to use the extension. After toggling, you should feel reassured knowing that Loom has the access it needs to work effectively. Next, refresh your browser tab. This simple action helps apply all the changes you've just made. After refreshing, Loom should be better positioned to function correctly. You will see the page reload, which means your adjustments are now in effect. Alternatively, click on the extension icon, then locate Loom. This method is another way to ensure you are interacting directly with the extension settings. Clicking the icon brings up a menu where you can manage your Loom settings more easily. This is a good alternative if you ever find the previous methods cumbersome. Now click the three-dot icon next to Loom and select Manage. This will open up specific settings for the Loom extension. It is essential to access this area to manage the extension effectively. You will see options that can help you troubleshoot further if issues persist. Next, toggle the extension off and then back on after 5 seconds. This refreshes the extension itself without needing to restart your entire browser. It's a quick fix that can resolve many minor issues and glitches. While in the Extensions tab, temporarily disable your ad blocker or other extensions to check if Loom instantly starts working. This step is important as sometimes other extensions can interfere with Loom's functionality. Disabling them helps you isolate the issue and confirm if they are the cause of your troubles. If nothing else works, your extension files may be corrupted. This is a common issue that can lead to the extension malfunctioning. Recognizing this can save you time as you consider more drastic measures. In the same three-dot icon, select Remove from Chrome. This action will uninstall the Loom extension from your browser. It's important to do this carefully as it ensures you can start fresh without any corrupted files lingering. Next, open a browser and search for Chrome Web Store. This is where you can find and reinstall the Loom extension. By searching for the Chrome Web Store, you are navigating to the proper repository for extensions. You will see a search bar once you are on the site. Now search for Loom. Enter the name into the search bar and hit Enter. This action will display the Loom extension in the results. You want to ensure you are selecting the correct extension for installation. Finally, click Get or Install. This last step will initiate the installation process of the Loom extension again. By reinstalling, you will be equipped with a fresh version of Loom, which should resolve any previous issues. You will see a confirmation that the installation is complete and your Loom extension is now ready to use.